Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open Google Analytics 4 and select Debug View from the Configure menu. Debug View shows events streaming in near real time. Before sending events, enable the client to mark hits as debug. For web pages, add G-tag, set debug mode, true to your tracking code. Alternatively, install the Google Analytics Debugger Chrome extension and toggle its flag on. When enabled, Debug View will show a live timeline of events from that browser. Trigger events from your site and watch them appear in Debug View within seconds. Click an event on the timeline to inspect parameters and user properties. Check numeric values, currency, and item lists directly in the Event Details pane. Use explicit test calls like G-tag, event, purchase, value, 1500 to validate purchase tracking. Confirm that event names and parameter keys match your GA4 data model. If parameters do not appear, recheck the sending code and reload the page to resend events. For Android, run a DB shell set prop debug. Firebase, Analytics, AppCom, example, app to enable Firebase debug analytics. For iOS, use the equivalent debug flag from your SDK documentation. Debug View shows up to the last 30 minutes of activity with precise timestamps for each event. Use the user stream filter or device ID to isolate a single tester's events. When testing, clear caches and use private mode to avoid mixing other user data. After debugging,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.